touch you seek. She won't give you the love you need, but in your dreams she can set you free.
Namrata and welcome back to my channel. So this is the very first video of mine for this year 2019. So what else can be better to start this year other than making a Sarojini Nagar haul video for all of you. So I have got this huge ass bag filled with all Sarojini stuff. So yes, without talking any more further, let's quickly dig this up. So just yesterday I went to Sarojini Nagar thinking कि अब winters almost खत्म होने वाले हैं, so maybe like थोड़ी सी भीड़ कम हो, but I was wrong. Like Sarojini has that खचा खच भीड़ even now also. But anyhow, I have got some very good quality stuff, so I am really happy. So the very first thing which I got is this beige color winter top, and I was really liking the color and I got this one. And like you guys can see, it has got a very beautiful design all over and the quality seems to be very nice. However, I think this will be perfect for March or April because इसमें बहुत सारे holes हैं and definitely इससे ठंड बिल्कुल नहीं जाएगी. But yes, you can definitely layer this up with a jacket or a shrug and it will look very beautiful. And it has got few threads coming out here and there, but yes, it was just for ₹100, so what else you can expect for ₹100. So yes, this is my very first pick. And yeah, one more thing, not only that particular top, like everything which I have got is just for ₹100. So 100 mein if you are getting any kind of sweater or sweatshirt or winter top, that's so good because winter stuff are usually very like costly. Then after that I got this green colored sweater and the color was looking so pretty. It's that perfect green color and it has got this like paneling at the front, at the arms. And the material of this one is very nice. It is giving the feel of a velvet material. And again, this one was just for ₹100. So I think yes, it's very nice. And I will pair this with a light denim and it will look so fresh. Then again, after that, I got this white colored winter top kind of thingy. And you guys can see like it's not completely meant for winters because of these sleeves. The sleeves are made up of the net material and the quality is really nice. It's all plain and it has got these kind of bell sleeves, like the short bell sleeves. And I have got all the stuff from Rings only. This time मैं एक भी shop पे नहीं गई because shop you usually have to bargain a lot and even the collection at Rings are far better than that are available in the shops. So yes, for 100 I think it's really nice and again ये मैं इसको March या April में ही पहनूंगी. So next up I got this brown colored sweatshirt and it's very much like oversized. But I was really liking all the style and the color of this one. It is very much oversized. You guys can see. I think ये double XL or triple XL होगा. It's very big. It has got a printing on the side. It says created to created, feminist killjoy. And on the arms you have got this kind of pattern and the arms are little like balloon in shape. I think I will get this one altered and then I'll wear that. Then उसके बाद I got a very clean white sweatshirt and Sarojini में you often don't get very clear and all white stuff. Usually उनमें कोई ना कोई दाग या धब्बे होते हैं. But this is all like clear. You guys can see इसमें एक भी कहीं भी कोई भी defect या दाग नहीं है. It has got a bird embroidered on one side and on the like the lower part you have got zips. And it was looking very interesting and cool and even the sizing is quite nice, like it fits me quite perfectly. So yes, I got this one for again ₹100 and 100 मैं बोलती ही रहूँगी because सब कुछ 100 का मिलता है. Then after that I got this green colored sweatshirt and it's kind of that rusted green. It's not that proper green color And on the collar side you have got a black panel, and on the arms also you have got this kind of like cuff. So this is very casual. It says blaze the fire that is never extinguished, and even the material of this one is very nice. It's that woolen material from inside. Yes, this is very nice, you guys, and for ₹100 nothing can be better than this. So then next up I got this sweater, which is a very casual sporty kind of sweater. So this has got these horizontal stripes in beige and red color, and the color combination was looking very nice and sporty to me, so I got this one. And yes, इसका मटेरियल बहुत अच्छा है, ये काफ़ी वार्म होगा, बहुत थिक मटेरियल है. Like the sleeves of this one are little smaller for me, and it does not cover my whole arm. But yes, I can work around, like I can fold my sleeves up, and I think it will look very nice. So then ये भी मैंने 100 का ही लिया है. And then next I got this printed sweater, and look at the print, you guys. It's looking so nice and vibrant, and it's giving me some kind of bohemian sort of vibe. It has got orange, black and blue colored abstract printing all over, and it will look so nice with a black denim, and it will give a lot of pop of color to my entire like outfit. And yes, this is the next thing which I got. And you guys often complain ki you guys need a try on haul, but guys, believe me, like I become so much excited. Like just after coming from Sarojini, I make my haul video for all of you, and I think for try on hauls these clothes must be washed and cleaned properly, and that takes time. So that is why I'm not able to make try ons. Then next up I got this blue colored long sweater, and I will team this one up with black tights or jeggings with black boots or brown boots, and it will look so nice. And the color is really nice, and even the styling is quite nice. Like it's a little bit like loose for me, but वो थोड़ा baggy वाला look winters में मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. And I will use a yellow like scarf with this one, and I think it will look very nice. Like it's all plain, and in the front you have got some design. I hope you guys are able to see. Like थोड़ा सा I'm not sure कि क्या बोलते हैं, crochet type की design दी हुई है. And this one is from the brand Hollister. I got this one for ₹100, so I'm so excited. So after that I got this yellow colored winter top. These kind of material goes very well during a March time, like जब ठंड बहुत कम होती है and you want to like feel a little warm, then like you wear such kind of tops. Like this one is all yellow in color. It's very basic, and it has got this turtleneck and few buttons on the back. And even this does not feel कि ये Sarojini से है. It feels very expensive. Then lastly I got two similar kind of sweaters. One is this pink color sweater. It has got 3 different tones of pink. It's very basic, and this one is perfect for your like office or college wear. So just keeping that in mind, I got this one. And this one is little loose for me, but anyway I can work with that. And then next up I got this sweater. It has got a different gradient of black, like white, then grey, dark grey, and then black. And yes, this one is also very basic, and yes, I like to wear basics during winters. So yes, with that I have completed all the sweater sections. Now let's move on to jewelry parts. So the first thing which I got is this choker. Like it is that metal choker, and the quality of this one is really nice, and it does not feel cheap at all, and it was for ₹150. Then again I got this golden color choker, and this one is a little thin and looks quite delicate, and I think ये जल्दी टूट ना जाए. And I got this one for ₹100 only. Then next up I got 3 pair of earrings, and the first one is this like earring, and it has got jhumka with these circular metal thingy, and I'm not very good at explaining jewelry and all, I believe. So this is what the earring looks, and this one was just for ₹50. So then again from the same like 50 ring counter, I got this earring. So this is a silver oxidized earring, and it is quite a statement earring, and the whole design looks so nice and elegant. So I got this one, and for $50 I think this is so awesome to have. Then I got this very nice golden color statement earring, and this is what the earring looks. And it's not that complete golden, it is some sort of rusted gold and looks so nice. And I think this can go up, and I think this can go up with western or Indian wear both, and it looks so pretty. And I got this one for ₹100 only. So yes, after talking so much, now finally we have come to the end of this video. And yes, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Till the time, take care. Bye.